For now, instead, we're going to look at something much more important, which is CGI is cool and all, but animatronics. I'm big on the animatronics.
You might like this one.
Ninja Turtles, man. Damn.
I don't know.
Jesus.
The music, but
freaky.
It's it's a video of a animatronic dog head or wolf.
Yeah.
And very lifelike. Like just the way that the muscles or the actuators in its face like move.
Yeah.
When it starts growling or
and then you will also have just the way that lighting hits the actual physical thing compared to CG. It's a whole different task to create something like this, obviously. CG, you're like, we'll get it later. This is going to be an actual, but then there's the other element, which is if say you're an actor and you're interacting with this, having it physically present is going to probably change your performance to a certain extent.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
But that's how they used to have to do it, man, in the old days. Maybe could be a mixture though, where the real close up, because the rest of the body is going to be less important and more static. So you'd composite everything else.
Yes.
But then the head itself is really there and angry.
Keep the spirit of animatronics alive.
It's very cool, man.
Yeah.